Bhakti. So today we will learn metric division by 8. So let's start. Now division by 8. If there is like this 43 divided 8. So what to do now? So now this in tens place there is 4. So we will write 4 here. 4 and we write into. Then the base of the 8 is 10. So 10 minus 8 is means the complement of that is 2. So we will write 2 here. So 4 into 8 is 8. Okay. 4 into 2 is 8. So now in this place there is 3. So today so now in this 3 in unit place we write here. So 3 we will write here plus this 8. So now 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. So now 11 is greater than 8. Why 8 only? Because the divisor is there. That's why we will take the 8. So it's a bigger than it. We want smaller than it. All the numbers we want smaller. So now we have to do the same process. Now this 8. Now what we will do now? We will write 11 divided 8. So now 11 divided 8 means 1 into 2. Why 2? Because 8 complement of 8 is 2 means 10 minus 8 is 2. So now 1 into 2. So now 2. After that this is 8 1. So now this is 2. So what we will do? 8 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now we got 3 as a answer. So after that this is a 1. This is a 1. We will make a box and this is a 4 we will make a. So now our 3 is 3 is smaller than 8 and 8 is bigger one, so it's correct. Now what to do? This box and this box is now this is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will write 5. 5 is a quotient. It is a quotient. And this 3. This 3 is a. This 3 is the. This 3 is the remainder. And this 1 8 which is here, that is a divisor. And now this 5 is the quotient. I will write 5 is the quotient. So this is the work which I have done. This is very simple by it, and this 43 is not in the 8's table. This 43. So how to do this? It's very simple. After that doing this trick, we should do this trick. It's very simple. I have do very procedure. That's why you are seeing this is big, but when we will do small, it will be look like small, and it will be not take more place. So now again I will revise. So this in unit place 4 we write here. This 2 means the complement of 8. Complement of 8 is 2. So that's why 8 we write 2 here. It's equal to 4 into 2 is 8. So we will write 8 here. So now this 3 plus 8. Why take 3? This 3. We take this 3 to here. So 3 plus 8. This 1 8. If there is 5, we will take 5. So there is 8. That's why we take 8. Is equal to, we got it 11. But 11 is greater than 8. We want this smaller than 8. 8 1 is bigger. Like that we want. Okay. So now this if the number is smaller, then we have to take that answer. I will show you in next video. But this is a breaker, so we have to do this procedure. So 11 divided 8, so 1 into 2, this 1 in unit plus 1, wait, in unit plus 1 we took here, into 2 the complement of 8 we took 2, and this 2 we will get 1 into 2, 8, 1 plus 2, 1, this 1 we take in units place 1 plus 2 complement of 8 will get 3 as outside. 8 is the bigger, so and 3 is the smaller than it, so it's correct. Then 5 is question, how we get 5? But we get the 5 from this. You can see here this projection we have done. In first there is 1 and in there is 4, so 4 plus 1 we will get as 4 plus 1 we will get as a 5. We get this as 5. So now 5, 3 remainder, 5 quotient and 8 divisor. Thank you.